Pick vids, cats versus dogs. Who would you hire? Picky's hiring and wants the right cat or dog for the job. Can you help? Picky loves ice skating and wants someone who will make it to the Olympics. Which skater shows the most promise? Who would make the better YouTube gaming streamer? Who do you think would be Picky's most trusted source for news stories? Which candidate do you think will make the best president? Picky is going to make a movie. Which director should he choose? Do you want to make Picky's day by liking and subscribing, or would you rather send Fido to the unemployment office? Picky's house is a mess. He needs a maid. Which do you suggest? Picky's throwing a party and needs someone to serve drinks. Who do you pick? That party I mentioned, he also needs a rock star to get things started. Who do you pick, the cat or the dog? Picky got his first private jet. Can you pick a pilot who will help him soar to new heights? All the success could go to Picky's head. He needs someone to keep it real and teach him how to meditate. Who is the best pick? We've recently had an explosion at the lab, and let's just say we need a new scientist. Do you pick the cat or the dog? Picky thinks someone might have sabotaged his lab. Who should he hire to find out what's really going on? Not only is Picky's house a mess, but now he thinks it might be haunted by a mad scientist. Who are you going to call, the cat or the dog? Don't worry, everything is okay. Picky just has some questions for a surgeon in case anything goes wrong at the lab again. Who should he talk to? It looks like Picky is going to need a lawyer who will give him the best defense. Picky is so glad you helped him out. One last thing, he wants you to pick the candidate who will get a hiring bonus. Who should it be? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.